So we're going to open a 2019 Panini XR football box. This product released yesterday. Currently 115 a box here. We have quite a few available. We also have a sealed case if you're interested. You're going to get 2 autographs, 1 relic, a bunch of other cards. There's Sam Darnold. Looks like that one's numbered to 199. J.J. Arcega-Whiteside to 249, rookie. There's our first autograph. Autograph, triple jersey to 25. Darnell Henderson, very nice. Ed Reed to 149. And Chase Lindstrom, rookie. All right, second pack. And that'll also be the last pack. This is another autograph in here, and I guess a relic also. See what we get. It's McCaffrey, Sony Michel, base. TJ Watt's going to be a numbered card. $249. Darius Slayton to 199. Oh, these are cool. So here's the autograph. A.J. Brown to 25. Very nice. Luminous endorsements. There's a jumbo relic. That's Miles Sanders to 149. And then the other base. Thanks for watching.